morning. Assalamualaikum. This is all good. Good.
Sabaw. Sabaw. Sabaw.
I'm looking for my breakfast. I'm not yet finished with breakfast. This is what we call this one.
Sinigang bangus.
Sinigang bangus. Hi filming, no problem. I'm a vlogger. What is the name of your restaurant? Name of your restaurant here? Yeah. Huh?
May baludoy.
Balodoy?
Delicious food. Delicious food.
This is food here?
Yes.
Oh, what's the name of this road here? Barangay?
Barangay Kanhaway Road.
Kanhaway Road. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
What's your name?
Ibrahim, sir.
I'm Abdullah Muhammad, half Arab, half Filipino. My mother's a Filipina, my father's Arab.
Hindi totoo yan.
So I take my breakfast. You have camel? Camel, no camel here?
No, sir.
Good, like that. No
Pork
good.
and chicken.
No, I avoid that pork. That is haram for Muslim. Good morning. Assalamualaikum.
Inta Arabic?
Ayo. My father is Arab. My mother is a Filipina.
Inta malum kalam Arabic?
Ayo malum. Kullu malum habibi. Keep on have.
كويس.
أنت شغل أنت married here?
أول
أول Saudi Arabia. Kingdom Saudi Arabia.
أيوة.
Good. Riyadh.
1 month Saudi
1 month?
Arabia بعدين أنا رو حايل
Hail.
2 years.
2 years there. So what's the name of your company?
McDonald's.
Good. McDonald.
Prince Hai? Prince Hai?
But I grew up in Manila. Sometimes going back there to my father. My father and my mother both separated. Where is your wife?
That's all.
Wow, beautiful wife. Assalamualaikum. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What are you doing here? By the way, I'm vlogger. I'm Abdullah Muhammad. Good morning. Your son?
No,
He told me he became a co-worker there in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia before.
before.
Mm-mm. This is good for vegetable mix like that.
This is good for the health.
For the health, yeah. Yeah. Do you have a camel here? Good. I'm looking camel.
No,
No camel here?
No. It's goat,
Goat.
pig, chicken.
No pig. I avoid that pig. That's around for Muslim.
You are the Muslim. From
My mother is Filipina. My
from
father
Arabic, from
Arab.
Arab.
Aywa.
Arab.
What is your name, madam? You are the owner?
The mother.
Balodoy.
Mother.
This is Balodoy restaurant.
Baludoy. Inday Baludoy.
Hindi Balodoy.
Oh, the Baludoy
Yeah,
is
your
my
daughter
husband.
told me.
Baludoy is my husband and Inday.
Inday.
My nickname.
Your nickname.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
But my first name is
Appreciated.
Isabel.
Appreciated. Hello.
No.
Okay, continue.
Continue.
I'm looking for my breakfast. I'm not yet finished in breakfast.
Okay. You want to
Yeah.
eat
So you can
breakfast?
recommend me what's good for me?
That vegetable.
Vegetable.
Yeah.
But for no,
Chicken,
I don't
You
like
want
pork.
to eat
Chicken.
Huh? Because of chicken. Because of chicken.
chicken.
Yeah, I
Fried
made
chicken.
chicken.
Eating chicken.
Yeah, number
But
one.
no pig.
No pig. I go with that.
Okay.
But,
Mukhaon ko na si
but
Dajing.
we are here in the Philippines. I think
Nanay, gikuha ni Dada to?
I'm usually adapt the Filipino culture here.
Oh.
Filipino food is very good.
Yeah, very cheap.
Yeah.
Not like in Saudi Arabia, in America, Europe, very expensive there.
Dito to yan.
Yeah.
Chicken.
Habasit.
Okay. No, thank you so much.
Kaon ta, kaon.
Shukran ha. Maram, shukran. Assalamualaikum. Your
Bas ana malum kala marami.
you can translate easily.
Okay, okay.
You can translate. Okay. Okay, kun eat.
Okay na rin.
Ito ba? Vlog na bitaw ko ba? Ito. Vlog na bitaw ko ba?
Ito
Vlog na ko te.
marami.
Te. Vlog na ko.
Tinuod daw.
Ang ginduman ako te.
Pag-show daw eh, baka.
Vlog na ko.
Nakuha na.
Tama sila. Gabulag na ko ano? Gabulag na ko pagkaon na diha. Gabulag na ko day. Mga gwapa rin Diyos ginakot ba?
Gablag-blag. Muli kay kalaya ka.
Oy. Salamat ninyo ha. Gabulag na bitaw ko. Paliw pa kuan sa akong Facebook. Apollo Kibuloy ang akong Facebook. Apollo Kibuloy. Paliw ka pa support. Salamat sige pa. Pamosa mo.
Sa prank.
It's a prank. Te.
Kaya kaon.
Apollo Kibuloy. Katong
Kibuloy, delikado
oh, wanted, katong wanted.
Wanted,
Oh, mo surrender na gani ko. Apollo Kibuloy. Apollo Kibuloy. Oo. So mora to, na-prank na ko sila diri ila ni Ate Inday Balodoy. Diri sa ginakot. So invite mo na ako, ari mo diri sa ilang karinderya, alam mo ilang mga sudan oh. Oo. May ilang sudan, labi na ang nagsuka diri. Guwapa kayo. Oh. Ami kayo, ari mo diri sa ginakot ha. Ya Inday Balodoy.
Double L mo.
Double L.
San Antonio.
Kani.
Oh, San Antonio pa ni. Sako pa ni og
San Antonio.
Kanhaway.
Boundary.
Boundary. Okay. Okay, mora to. Bitaw ti kaila ka na ako si Sandro.
Sandro.
Katong imong ahente sa nag-Nestle.
Alim ka. Kaman. Blag-blag. Nagkamay lagi ka.
Ha? Bike manggo.
Wala ni ka nanuno yung kuwan.
Sige gapon, unsa gali mangdaking ko?
Aw lagi.
Oo.
Ikaw yung taaka mo dyan.
Mangita ta kung sa income ba? Ano pa lang po ginagmay po.
Pero sa vlog na po yung mga imo ay.
Nana sa YouTube ang Facebook ako panggi forsige na nga makakuha ta. Pero hapit na, palis gino hapit na.
Sandro ha. Ano ko sa magpapasap. Wala jo ka korek
Bila
ha.
akong tisingan ni Ate Inday. Okay, salamat. Babu.
Mabukas ka.
Ay mo gawas.
Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you